fun.
Roll out.
Yes.
Go again?
What you said was right.
All right. So 3 contestants, and they get a minute each to perform. It is roll out on a Friday. Hailalu is up first.
Oh, yes, sir. Smile Jamaica TVJ. Yeah, me people. And the oldest and the baddest. Simon. Rastaman picking it. Cause all them a do, me say them can't trick away. Me say them can't trick up Rastaman picking it. All them a trick, we say them can't trick away. Me say them can't trick up Rastaman picking it. Cause all them a do, them not do nothing for we. Me say them can't trick up Rastaman picking it. Any food we eat, then now we be planted. First thing them take away the land them from the farmer. Then them mash up with cane, mash up with banana. Like them no one we do, no planting on ya. So them block off the whole Yellows River. Like say your town people alone them prefer. Them no want the youth, them fit on cultivator. So they import them plastic fruit from Anya. And left the little farmer, them a suffer. But them can't trick up as a man picking it. Bring in them steel food like them ones to go away. Can't trick up as a man picking it. Cause all them a trick who say them can't trick away. Me say them can't trick up as a man picking it. Bring in them steel food like them. Well, yes, sir. Jamaica supposed to in a food crisis.
Because you must have holy hallelujah.
Yeah. How much say that? Hailalu, your teeth, I look at 2 seconds now.
She.
You gave him a she. There you go. Brimstone
Fire.
And
is
fire.
up next. Run the track for Brimstone.
Jamaica TVJ's alright. Everything is alright. Yeah. It's alright. It's a warning to each and every man in this world today. For when you are in trouble and falling on your bending knee, but Jaja will have mercy and give you awesome peace. Jaja will have mercy and give your heart some easy. Each and every day, oh yeah, remember to pray. Each and every day, oh yeah, remember to pray. The more you forgive mankind, the longer we will live, yeah. The more we forgive mankind, the longer we will live. I know it's war, Roman.
He's the Brimstone. I mean, so that's, yeah. I was singing the great Brimstone.
She.
She's such an idiot. G-Son.
That's not very nice, I
G-Son
would say.
is up
How
next.
rude.
Run the track.
G-Sudden. Okay.
Today. Peace.
Smile Jamaica roll out. G-Sudden represented. Don't ever bet. They boy them bad mind, bad mind, bad mind. Bad mind can't hold me down, hold me down. Them can't jam me down, jam me down. Tell them stay far, far, far. Nobody create no war. Bad mind want hold me down, hold me down. Them can't jam me down, jam me down. Tell them stay far. Nobody create no war. Look how much man Babylon kill we pass and gone. Pray to the Father and go and live on. Music world say to the right, no do no wrong. Don't make we blow down the place like a storm. Inna the Gideon, you know say it rough. Inna the ghetto, so you know say it tough. Enough young artists out there want to bust, but you know say the business rough. Bad mind want hold me down, hold me down.
All right, G-Son. Judge, I better tell you how much. She.
Let the people decide, as Billy would say. The people.
733-246-126. Give us a call. You decide the winner, because our judge says Hailalu, Brimstone.
Hailalu.
Oh, Hailalu, Brimstone, and G-Sudden. They all get a...
She.
There you go. Roll out, done.
Soon come.
Yeah.
Not done, we just finished.
Roll out. Roll out.